Hi, my name is Rajan Babu. I am working as a Chief Operating Officer, Adani Krishnapatnam Port Ltd. My both children are studying at Rainbow International School, Nellore. The elder daughter is studying in class 12 and the younger son is studying at class 7. I am working in a private industry and my job is highly transferable. We came to Nellore 1.5 years back and I was very anxious about choosing a school because my elder daughter was studying in class 11 at that time. We were looking for a school with a great ambience, great infrastructure, good curriculum, focusing on the extracurricular activities, and obviously the skillful teachers with great caring. I went to each and every school at Nellore, and after visiting the Rainbow School, immediately I decided I had choose this school, and I'm sure that my children will have a great future here. When I came here, I met the principal madam. The way she was explaining me the passion about the developing the student, the passion about the running the school, the way she was explaining, it was great, and I was very happy to basically join my students in the school. As someone tells that a school is a place which has 4 walls with a great future inside. After spending 1.5 years, I am sure that both of my children will be having a great future. You can ask why. The reasons behind why I am telling is the way they were shaping here. Very specifically in terms of the confidence they speak, in terms of the confidence and the interest which they are participating in the extracurricular activities, and their performance in the extracurricular activities, and as well as the the academic portion also, is every day I am seeing there is an improvement. The entire teacher, including the management as well as the teachers, are very, very helpful. They are listening to our concerns. They implement immediately, and we are seeing the results are very, very visible when we are seeing our children. That is what we want as a parent. So I have to speak about the infrastructure. The infrastructure is great, with great ambience. That's the first thing. So when we enter a school, or a home, the ambience matters. The ambience which the school is located, the way it is maintained, the school neat and clean, name it, your classrooms, the sports ground, the art rooms, all are excellent. And with the teachers focusing, and with their, I see there is a passion in the teachers, including the management. So I was just explaining, to the chair principal that when I met the teachers in the last PTM, I have given certain my expectations, and it was implemented. I am seeing a good improvement in my children's the curriculum, academic curriculum. As a parent, I am very much confident that after spending 1.5 years, I can confidently tell that my children are going to have a great future. And my children, very specifically, I have to tell, my children are very, very comfortable in their schools, and they feel there is a care in this school, which is very important as a parent. So we are very happy. And not only the staff, the important staff, the teaching staff, and also what we are seeing is the supporting staff is also very, very very helpful and very caring. So as a parent, we are very helpful that my children are studying, and we are sure that they will they will have a great future. And I am finding the sparks also improving. Previously she was at maybe number 4, 5, 6 something, and consistent in the last 2 weeks I am seeing she is considered scoring in the number 2 or number 3. And I'm sure that she will be going to number 1 very soon. Thanks to the entire Rainbow School management and school teaching staff, as well as the the other staff members also, for providing my children a great, foundation. That's what I can tell. School is the foundation, great foundation. As a parent, we are very happy. Thank you very much, Rainbow School management as well as the teaching staff.